Hi Taurians, this is your next 10 days reading. I am going to take the day of today, that is 6th of October to the 15th of October. I am going to take this 10-day period for you to understand your energies. I have already divinated and I have got your cards which fell out for you while I was divinating, and these cards are tarot cards, and the icons in the tarot cards tell you about the energies that are going to be there. So they come in combinations, sometimes they come fall in twos and threes. So there are different meanings regarding the combination and where it will take you. So people of the sun sign of the Taurus, they can relate with this reading more. People of the moon sign can also take away emotional messages from here. And the ascendant and the rising signs, people who have Taurus in their chart dominantly, can look at this reading as well for emotional takeaways. So let's see what the first energies are like. The first two energies are your crowning energy is Wheel of Fortune and the Justice. So very good energy of the planet Jupiter. This is a luck giving planet, so fortune giving planet. So what's happening is something will bring justice to you. So it is above the justice of the law and order, or above the justice of the human beings. It could be something bigger, it could be regarding your destiny. If you were going through a period of bad times, if you were going through a period of things not happening for you, this is the time that justice is going to be done regarding your destiny. So luck will favor you at this time. So because you see this person is almost balancing themselves on the Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune turns very rapidly. So this rapid turning of the wheel and you balancing on it means that you get very small time wherein you make these fortunes. So you have to be very alert, you have to take advantage of this situation and make hay while the sun is shining. It is like that. So justice will happen for you. Some of you are in the profession of justice, law and order. Some of you are in court cases. So your there can be ruling in your favor. That is what I am seeing. So good situation definitely for you, my dear Taurians, and it is on your mind. But there is another thing which is happening, the eight of wands and the eight of swords. So there was a situation which really pulled you down. It really pulled you down. It was a betrayal. It was a situation in which you were stuck. You were stuck in a certain situation. It could be to do with your job, it could be to do with your family circumstances. Some of you seeking divorce, some of you wanting to get married, some of you wanting a new job, some of you are not getting a job, some of you want to change job or change something. But things were getting really sticky, and you were getting sticky in the mind as well. So you were feeling your mind was working overtime, and you were feeling that nothing is happening for me, nothing is happening for me. But what's happening is you will not give up. Whatever you were pining for in love, in job circumstances, in your court case, in your legal issues, in your whatever, you will not give up. You will not give up. You will be wounded, you will be battered, you will, like, it all happened in the past. So it is, this energy is coming in, but you are courageously standing on the ground. You are standing up for yourself, you are standing up for your own interests. So good situation. And see this, 8 and another 8 of wands. So 3 8s coming to you, rebuilding situation, reworking situation. things are going to be done, things are going to be put in order. That is what I am seeing. So order of justice is coming in. Eight of Wands is showing travel, Eight of Wands is showing progress. It is, exchanging information, getting that love call, getting that love text which you were waiting for, getting that phone call of job which you were waiting for, call letter which you were waiting for, interview that. So whatever it is, things are going to work out now in the next 10 days. Very auspicious period for you. You were somehow balancing yourself on a thin line. You were multitasking, you were, pressed in a stressful situation between family and job. Meaning, I give, one or two common examples, but it could be anything. You were stuck in, multi issues, and you were stressed. So what's happening is, this is going to change. You are going to, if you were going through a money problem, if you were like, making your ends meet, the new opportunity is coming up. The situation of growth is happening. You will be getting an opportunity, that is for sure. The hidden opportunity will come up. You will feel like a victor, you will feel like a champion, because you will be getting over your odds. That is what I am seeing. Some of you will get recognition which you were waiting for. Some of you are completing your, PhDs, your degrees. Some of you are getting an admission, getting a good job, and you are feeling really good. So, or some of you who were waiting for their, creative projects to be released or launched, you will be able to do it, because the very good energies are coming in. I am seeing the Chariot and the Hierophant. This means that Hierophant is your energy, Taurian. So going by method, you went by method, you went by the tradition, you went by the convention, and your determination, your the champion energy, the triumphant energy worked for you. You got through this. Some of you higher studies, some of you a big job in a great institution, government jobs for some of you, marriage for some of you, going towards it with all your might, and you got that commitment which you were waiting for. So you didn't give up. Maybe somebody else gave up, but you finally got your commitment which you were waiting for. So big long term situation happening for you, a big victory for you, my dear Taurians. So it could be in love life. You were almost making a choice whether to stay in this, whether to go out, whether to think long term with this person. But this person is coming back with an apology. If you were wanting to take a direction, new direction in your work situation, a choice will be made, an offer will be coming. Knight of Wands is saying that total change of direction can take place. You are going to go towards your passion. But what is troubling you right now? The weakness position is the Justice. Maybe you are wrong somewhere. Maybe you are not seeing your faults. So, justice is here, but you need to have judgment. That is what I am seeing. So, judge yourself. Check the situations that you are creating for yourself, because you were in a problem because of your own mind, because of your too much thinking about something. You were making up many things, so you could be morally wrong about expecting something from someone. It could be that the challenge here is the Eight of Swords. So not having faith, not having control over your thoughts was the reason that you judged, and you were unjust to some people or unjust to a situation. That is what I am seeing. However, it is now over. Your times are changing, and your outcome is 10 of Cups. Amazing. It is satisfaction, happiness ever after in love, happiness in job, getting that cushy job which you always wanted, money that you wanted, money equality that you wanted, no worries about money that you wanted is coming to you. Someone is supporting you, someone is sponsoring you, someone is giving you the scholarship, someone, your material situation is changing. You are coming out of a period of lack. I am seeing you very bold. I am seeing you successful. I am seeing you dominant in this period. Angels are just asking you that keep doing your karma. If you know something is stopping you, have patience in that situation. If something doesn't happen for you, it is for your good. And I'm sure, Taurians, you have learned this lesson, that if something did not happen at a certain point of time, you are getting the fruits now. You are getting the fruits now. Your karma period will be over because you will have the strength. You will have the strength to resist, this depressing thought, these depressing thoughts, these thoughts that limit you, that make you self doubt yourself. So you are going to get out of this energy. I am seeing you learning new lessons, seeing things with different perspective. If things are not moving for you, and you will have patience, and strength to go through with it, because your time is changing. Your time will change. Definitely in the next 10 days you will see many changes happening. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are missing out my readings, they should hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel to get my readings on time, because these are time based readings. No tarot reading should be timeless, because tarot readings have to be timed, otherwise they don't have any value. And people who want a personal reading, if you want a personal reading and you are going through problems, you can come to me. I can see your energies, and give you a private session. And these sessions are very, very valuable. So these are prepaid and pre-booked. So you can come for that. So make up your mind if you want to come. Don't come to me if you are in a good period. Don't come to me if you don't have a problem, because I am not an astrologer telling you about things that are going to happen after 20 years. If you are at a crossroad, and if you really have problems at this moment and you cannot figure out, you can come to me, because I am basically intuitive. I am basically an energy reader. So that's it. Bye bye.